India has one of the largest economies in the world, characterized by diversity and a mix of modern industries and traditional agriculture. It is classified as a developing market economy, with significant contributions from agriculture, manufacturing, and services sectors.
Agriculture contributes around 16 to 18% of India's gross domestic product, or GDP. A significant portion of the population is employed in agriculture, though this has been decreasing as other sectors grow. Rice, wheat, sugarcane, cotton, and pulses are some of the major crops. India is also one of the largest producers of milk, fruits, and vegetables.
The industrial sector contributes around 25 to 30% of GDP. Key industries include textiles, chemicals, pharmaceuticals, steel, cement, and automobile manufacturing. The government initiative launched in 2014, known as Make in India, aims to encourage companies to manufacture in India and boost the industrial sector.
The services sector is the largest contributor, making up over 50% of GDP. Information technology, or IT, services, telecommunications, banking, and finance are key areas within this sector. India is known globally for its IT and business process outsourcing, or BPO, industries.
Economic reforms have been pivotal in shaping India's modern economy. Let's start with liberalization. In 1991, India introduced significant economic reforms, moving towards a more open and market-oriented economy. These reforms led to increased foreign investment, privatization of state-owned enterprises, and deregulation. Another major reform was the introduction of the Goods and Services Tax, or GST, in 2017. GST replaced a plethora of indirect taxes with a single tax structure, simplifying the tax system and unifying the market.
Trade. India's major exports include petroleum products, textiles, gems and jewelry, software services, and machinery. India imports crude oil, gold, electronics, and machinery. The country is heavily dependent on imports for energy, particularly oil and natural gas. Challenges. Despite rapid growth, poverty and income inequality remain significant challenges. Rural areas, in particular, face higher levels of poverty. Structural unemployment and underemployment are ongoing issues, particularly among youth. India faces challenges in infrastructure development, particularly in transport, electricity, and water supply. Recent developments. The pandemic had a significant impact on the economy, leading to a contraction in GDP in 2020 to 2021. Though recovery has been underway since then. There has been a significant push towards digitization, including initiatives like Digital India, promoting digital payments, and the expansion of internet access. India is making strides in renewable energy, particularly solar power, as part of its commitment to combat climate change.
Future outlook. India is expected to continue growing at a strong pace, with potential to become the third largest economy globally in the coming decades. A young and growing population presents both opportunities and challenges, particularly in terms of education, employment, and skill development. India's economy is a complex and evolving landscape, with a blend of opportunities and challenges as it continues to grow and develop on the global stage.